today's another tutorial, and I'm gonna show you a fight between zombies versus the villagers. So after I start this in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, is this how the fight will go? Okay, so I started this. So now we'll find who will be winning and who will be losing. We watch from here. Oh, maybe not. This will destroy the zombies. Now we'll see what the zombies will do to just humans. So I think they're just wanting to get me. They don't even care. Oh, okay, we can see the fight, All the eating. All people are dying. All those people are dying. Oh, you can see it properly. Oh god. Oh my god, they're dying. I won't talk to the rest of it, you watch it peacefully. I'll respawn some more human. Ooh. So we know that the zombies are much stronger than the humans. So we can see that the zombies have won and the villagers have lost. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel now for some